What up, guys? It's your boy Nick, HOUTX Trader, coming live right now from Houston, Texas. Actually, not live. This is going to be pre-recorded, but you get the idea. Guys, check this out. This is just for training. This is not financial advice. If you need financial advice, please go see a financial planner. Today, we're going to do one thing. We're going to look at Bitcoin. That's it. I'm going to fully break down Bitcoin and what I think is going to happen next, and we'll go from there. So this is just for my crypto people. This is just for my Bored Apes, my Vtopias, my Bit Dogs, all you guys out there in my world. This is just for you guys, putting it out there for y'all. If you're not in that world and you're in Andy Peters and you're a chart addicts, I mean not chart addicts, excuse me, screw those guys. If you're in Andy Peters, Pip Connect, I don't know if I can edit that out. Also for you guys, check out the dot card and look for that. Okay, so let's share the screen. Let's get it on. Okay, right now, screen is shared. Okay. All right, let's look at Bitcoin just in this time frame. Okay. Major push, right? 2017, big push. Price comes all the way back down. So the push started right here around 2000, 3000. Okay. All the way back up, comes right back down to 3000. Okay. Oh, we're excited. Oh, we're putting a bunch of money in. Oh, we're screwed. Nothing. Okay. Pushes up, comes back down. Look again. Finds that 4,200 mark. Finds the low. Big push up. Okay. Now we could even come down. Let's just come down a little bit. Even into this area. Okay. Oh, it's coming off. Right. Oh, this is the next cycle. Everyone loves to talk about the cycles. The 2019 cycle, right? Pushes up, pushes up. Let me just make this bigger so it makes it look full screen, makes it look super legit. Okay, look, guys. Pushes off. Okay, so where are we at? We're down here in the 3,000, 4,000 mark. Pushes off very aggressively. Comes down, back up. A lot of FOMO going on. Okay. Comes back down. Everyone thinking, okay, 9,000. This is the bottom. We're off. They see this move. They're jumping in. People are jumping in. FOMO like a son of a bitch, right? Comes back down. Gives them a back retest. Oh, they see the next push. Look at this daily bar. Oh my God, we're in. And then smash, smash, smash. Okay, look at this. Everyone who is entering in here, everyone who is entering in here, and everyone who was entering in here all got taken. They are buying, and what I mean by taken, because I was with Pixel Rainbow today, and I keep using this terminology, and maybe I need to be more clear on that. What I'm saying is there are people that are buying here. Okay. There are people that are FOMO buying here. Okay. When this chart comes all the way down to here, all of these people, not all of them, but a lot of them, closed their trades out with a loss. They took a L. You know it. I know it. Maybe it was you. Maybe it was me. I don't remember. I'm just saying this was the FU Bitcoin. I lost all my money area. Okay. Unless you saw this and you got in and you thought you're a rock star and you bought at 7 and it ran up to 10 and you're fucking stoked. Then what happened? Whoop, right below FU Bitcoin. All these people here, all these people took a loss and they closed out at a loss. Okay. So now what happened? Well, maybe you're the smart person and you see that there's this double bottom and you look at this wick and this wick down here and you see this wick down here and you're like, you know what? It's time to buy in. Okay. Maybe there's a Fibonacci play or something up here, and you said, look, it's right here, 618, 786, whatever. You bought in. Okay. Then what happened? Oh, you're a rock star. I'm a rock star. I'm in profit. Bitcoin says, fuck you. No, you're not. All of this liquidity, all of these people closed out their trades in this area at a loss. Okay. Just for a minute. Just recognize that. Let's delete all this scribbles. Okay. So that's, one cycle, the 20, was it 2019? Yeah, 2019 quote unquote cycle. Everyone loves the cycles. Okay, so let's scroll back out. Okay, so now what happens? Once this comes down right here, we're just looking at, and it screws all of these people, then the buy happens. Okay. Just look at, I just want you to realize how deep of a retracement this is. Look at how many people closed out their Bitcoin longs at a loss when this happened. Okay. Look at how many people closed out their longs, their buys for a loss when this happens. Right? The market needs to screw as many people as possible before the turnaround. All of these people, all of these people got screwed right there. Okay? So let's just be aware of that. Again, this is leading to something. Okay? All right. So here's the next big push. Okay. You got in here if you're lucky at this bottom, which makes perfect sense. Right? Look where the bottom is. It came back up, it came back down, touched the area, and then it rocketed off. There's the real buy. There's the real buy where it came back down to the order block and touched it and then went. Okay, there it is. All right, I beat that horse. Okay, so now we're looking. Well, where's the next quote unquote block area? The next quote unquote block area, order block area, consolidation area is in this right here, right? And then what? And then it rocketed off. Okay, you had some people buying. Okay, retracement. I'm buying here. Right. Let's look at this. Let's look at this. This is now 2020 COVID pump. Okay. Let's think about what people are thinking about. Okay. Oh my gosh. We're in a little retracement. A lot of people bought in right here. 30,000. A lot of people jumped in, pumped off, retracement, small retracement, topped out. Retracement broke structure, pullback, then the real sell happened. Okay. This is very important that we recognize the break of structure. All right. It's very important that we recognize this, that there's the structure and it got broken. Break of structure. Okay. Why is that it? Well, high, high, low, low, right? We're moving in a channel. This low gets broken right there. That gets broken right there. What does it not do? It does not set a higher high. It sets a lower low. And then what? And then sells off. So if you are a trader like I am, you could have, and I wasn't a big Bitcoin trader back then, so I'm not going to claim that I was trading this. But if you see this break of structure happen, what I love to do is measure this with a Fibbo, find you a good 61.8 or even the 78.6 area and sell. Okay. And you sell at the 61.8, you put your stop loss above there, and then you short it. All right. So, anyways, that's another, we're not even there yet. That's just extra sauce. Okay. So there's the break of structure, come all the way down. So now what happened. Look what happens. These people are getting screwed. These people are getting screwed. Everyone's a rock star that bought right here. Guess what happened? You're no longer a rock star because you didn't take profit. All of these people thought that they're rock stars and they held Bitcoin because it was going to $100,000. Guess what? Came right back down. This is why it's okay, guys. If you're buying at 30 to sell at 60, you doubled your money. It's okay to close out when you double your money, especially if you start to see a break of structure or something, okay? So now let's just say now you're another rock star and you're buying here. Oh my gosh, Bitcoin is going to the heavens. We're so rich. Well, what do you see then? You see a double top, right? It's starting to double top. But look, let's just zoom out a second now, right? As of right now, we're all rock stars. Everyone's a rock star. Fucking living the life, posting on Twitter, right? Up, up. Again, structure here. I wouldn't really call this structure because I guess you could call that structure, but that's just still kind of up, up, and then this is where it breaks. So really, it broke structure right there, but it just came all the way down to there. It's not like you had a lot of chance to catch a retracement. But anyways, this then is the double bottom. Guess what? It didn't come up and retest. It just straight broke through it. And all these people just got taken out. It just liquidated. All these people lost money. All these people who were buying, who didn't sell, who came back down, pushed back up, and they still think they're rock stars, probably got frustrated, got pissed off in this area here, and they lost their money and they closed out with a loss. The market wants to screw them. We have to realize this. Before the market can go in one direction, it needs to take out money. Therefore, all of these people, and we'll even make it a little bit higher to capture these people. So these guys, all of these guys with these guys and these guys all got screwed. Okay? You have to get screwed before the market will come back up. Now, what happened? Like I said, this was the order block before. There, it didn't touch the order block, but it came pretty effing close, right? If we want to Fibonacci from there to the very top, right, and we just look at the percentages, it did 78.6. I mean, there it is, top to bottom. There's where we like to live. We like to live in the 78, 88.6 zone as our buy zone. Okay. Let me get my little bars correct here. Buy zone. That's why I have it saved. Buy zone. Okay. Let's just delete all that. We don't need that anymore. We're just observing still. This is all leading to the point that I'm going to make here in a little bit. Okay. So now we've got a new bottom. Here's the new bottom. There's a consolidation zone here. You could even see, you could even say, okay, well, there's a consolidation zone. Either way, you get my point. Look what happened. I'm just going to delete. I hate to do this. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to delete everything. I would say I'm just going to fucking delete everything, but I'm not going to. Let's just be patient here. Push off. Okay, so here's the next cycle, 2023. Push off. Okay, let's zoom in here. Where's everyone rock stars? Where's everyone think they're fucking balling? Well, it's pretty obvious. It's right here. All these people who bought at 38,000 who did not close out at 75,000, 73,000, almost double their money. They're now feeling a pinch because we're at 50, right? And they're buying in this area. So this is no doubt where the last group of buyers sat is in this area, right? So what do you think is going to happen? Well, just like before, I'll delete some of this stuff. Just like before, what is the market doing? It's the exact same thing, guys. Let's just order. Okay, so what happened? It's showing you that it's breaking the structure here, comes back up, does not set a higher high, and break structure. Okay, it's clear as day. I know there's a lot of drawings in here, but look, this area here, this little box, that's structure. It just broke it. Right there. It just broke it. It broke structure. Okay, it's selling. So now, excuse me, fucking cell phone's going off here. My wife is texting me, of course, right in the middle of a fucking video. I'm just going to ignore her. So look, broke structure. Now, what could happen? Now, we could very easily see this market pull back up to this area. Okay, I mean, it's not uncommon because this stuff moves in waves. The market moves in waves. So it's not uncommon we could see it up and then right back down. Okay, I mean, I don't know if that's not going to happen. But the point that I was leading up to was this. Somebody needs to get screwed, right? So right now, all of these people in this area here, these guys, they're all getting screwed right now because they're all in drawdown, right? These guys. Is the market done screwing them? Well, you got a lot of people buying right here, and you sure in the hell have a lot of people buying in this area right here. Okay? Now, if I was going to try to buy this market, right? Where would I want to buy the market? Let's just delete all this. Well, for me, I think there could be a push up from here. I'm not saying that it's going to go here to 50,000, 52,000 and hit 100,000 and be gone. I'm definitely not saying that. But what I am saying is you could probably get in here at 50 and try to at least clear out some of this stuff and fill in this gap, right? So if this is the last move, I like to see this area and come up and fill in a lot of this. Okay. So how do we know when that's going to happen? Well, when this trend line breaks, whenever that trend line breaks to the top, we can then grab a Fibonacci from here to wherever the bottom is, right? I don't know, but let's just say the bottom is right there right now. Okay. Then we can start to sell or look for sells in this area here. All right. That's our sell zone. So that could very well happen. That could very well happen. If that does happen and you buy somewhere down in here, let's just say you buy right here, right now, for example, I would start to seriously take profit here. Okay. And don't think you're a rock star because what have we proven? That the market loves to screw people. And what is sitting right here and right here? A lot of money with a lot of people who think they're badasses. So perhaps we get a push up and then we come right back down to screw all of these people. Okay. Because where is the original consolidation zone that we've proven in the past that it loves to come down and touch? I'm not going to go on a limb and say it's going to come all the way down to the 30s. I'm not fucking crazy. I don't know that for sure, but history, the past, has told us that that could very, very, very well be in the cards. So what am I going to do? I'm looking to put money in here at the 52. Hopefully it gets down here. I'll run it up here, take my profits, secure some money, leave some in Bitcoin just in case it goes to bonkers, and we'll see. Because look, if it's going to break, it will come back down and retest an area and then go. So if I put my money in here and I take my money out there, okay, and I take a majority of it out here, and I can just get back in over here. Or let's just say I don't. Let's just say I don't take this buy right here, right now, or whatever, right? Let's just delete that. Well, let's put our money in right over there. Let it break. Let it break. Come back down. Let it break. Come back down. Find an area. Maybe find this daily support. And then we can get in. All right. Like be patient. And even if it goes bonkers and takes off, it'll come back. It'll come back down and retest that area. Okay. Everyone thought it was crazy when it took off here. Guess what? It came back down and retested the order block and then it took off. This price, I just have a gut feeling it's going to come back down into this area. It's going to come back. And to be honest with you, it could very well break all this and come back down to this area and screw all of these people out and then make the real run. So no one wants to think that. No one wants to believe it, but we've just proven in the past that's how Bitcoin likes to flow. So let's just break this chart down a little bit further. Okay, where are we at right this second? Okay, so like I said, my first area that I'm looking to buy in is this 52 area, this order block. If you Fibonacci this first move down, that first move of the Elliott wave, and then the second move of the Elliott wave, both of the TPs and those Fibonacci's are right here. Okay, there's the second move from there to there. There's a 236 extension on the Fibonacci. So there's one, right? Even if you don't like that Fibonacci, you like this one, like you like that Fibonacci, there's a 61.8, all right, TP extension. Where is it at over here? From there to there, there is that one. Guess what? 61.8 is there. From the bottom to the top on the buy side, 61.8 also matches up with the order block. Okay, we have also starting to see daily divergence. Low, lower low as the RSI is going oversold, not quite as much oversold. So what do we want to see then? We want to see this push up like it's doing, come down, give us another low, and then go. Okay, if it does that on the RSI side of things, what are we looking to see? Up, down, go. Okay, we want to see this last tip right here. Make it perfect for you guys. Right there, we want to see that not as low. We do not want it to break this or break this. We want it to touch right in this area as this price here is getting lower. Right? That'll give us a good daily divergence and give us a signal. Okay, so that's what we're waiting for here. If it pops off, if it breaks off, wait for the pullback and then get in. Okay, I'm expecting this to hold this trend line, come back down. Let's get in here and then buy back up. Okay, again, if we do catch either one of these buys, either this buy here or this buy down here, we're going to try to take our profit in this area up here, this $70,000 range. Okay, protect a bag, put some money in the bank, and wait, because I think this was just going to sell right back off. I think it's going to come back and just sell right back off and come down to one of these areas. All right, down into this area, or really get crazy for some odd reason and come back down to this area here. Right. So that's my thinking, and I proved it. Right. I proved it. Everyone thinks they're rock stars. No one expects Bitcoin to come all the way back down. Right. And it's just over and over again. We can look at it here as well. Okay. It needs to take this money. Everyone thinks they're rock stars, and then they all get screwed, and they get screwed, and it comes back down to the level. Look, they get screwed, and even these people getting screwed because it comes all the way back down to the level. It does it every time. So let's just be ready for it. All right? Let's just be ready for it. Up, down, down. We're all rock stars. No, you're not. You're getting screwed. Even these people get screwed because it even comes down to there. All right. That's my full Bitcoin breakdown. And that's what I think I'm going to do next. Okay. I'm going to just be patient. I'm going to take some small moves, some small little scalps, and screw around in this area. For instance, I'm selling right now, but my first real amount of money that I'm willing to put in is going to be in this 60, 52 range. Okay. Get in there, take my profit up here. And if it comes back down to here, then you're fucking mortgaging the house. You're selling your cars and your kidneys, whatnot. All right, guys, that's it. Again, this is just my opinion. This is just what I think is going, what I think is going to happen. I hope the history and the breakdown and the Fibonacci's and the RSI and the trend lines, I hope all that stuff helps you guys. Let me know what y'all think. Put some comments in here. You guys know where I'm at on Discord. Hit me up. Let's see what y'all are talking about. Let's keep the Discords active. Go out there and buy a Vtopia. Buy a Vtopia, get in the Discord. You have access to all my charts. Buy a Bored Ape Solana Club. They're like 2 SOL. Take one of my trades, pays for the damn NFT. Now you have a free NFT, and now you're in Bored Ape with a lot of other badass traders. Get into Andy Peters' Discord, and you have access to Andy Peters, who's a multi-million-dollar trader who's ridiculously good. All right, like take, and I also have a tab on Discord in there. Take a couple of my trades. I mean, the good Lord, I called out NASDAQ today, and NASDAQ went bonkers. Let's just go right here. Okay. Oh, look. Here's my journal. There's the NASDAQ trade, and NASDAQ went crazy. Right? Like it's in here all the time. Like just trade after trade after trade. Bing, bing, bing. Look at Bored Ape. There it is. Trades, trades, trades. BitDogs. We're talking about Bitcoin and BitDogs, and then Vtopia, Solana, and I'm mostly talking about just Solana and giving all my breakdowns there. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys can't see because I stopped sharing my screen. 1 second. My bad. Okay, look. This is Vtopia. This is their Discord. I have my own tab. Look at all those trades and all those bangers. I mean, look at this one gold trade you guys could have taken for 400, 500 points. It's fucking thousands of dollars. All right, here it is. We're talking about NASDAQ. We're in BitDogs now, talking about NASDAQ longs, right? There it is, me posting the entry right there. And there is the profit. All right, same deal. Bored Ape, talking about Bitcoin all day long. Okay, full breakdowns, full trades right here on the short that's in profit. All right, that's Bored Ape. Here's Andy Peters. Here's my tab. Here's all these crazy trades we're taking. So that's my deal. Okay, buy a Bored Ape, buy a VTOP, buy a BitDog, get in Andy Peters Discord. Pays for itself. All right, guys. Please do me a favor, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Please comment. If y'all have any questions, y'all know where to find me on X, Instagram, whole 9 yards. See y'all later. I'm out.